Hey, I'm Marty from Spring Ahead Media Solutions. Today I'm going to be showing you how to export your images from Canva, and I'll also be giving you some advice on how best to export these images and create images in Canva, although I'll have another video going a little bit more into detail on that as well. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, write thank you in the comments below. All of those things will help other people find this video so I can help them too. And don't forget to check back in the next time you run into a little roadblock or if you need some tips on email marketing. I put out new videos all the time. So let's get into it. Here I have created an image in Canva. We're going to jump over here to download our image. We are going to download this as a PNG file. That's what you're going to use for static images. And we're going to keep an eye on the file size. Especially with emails, we want to make sure that those images load quickly when they're on someone's phone or on their computer or somewhere where the internet isn't great. So we never want it to be more than 1200 wide. You can use this bar here to change the size of your image. We are going to compress this file. Again, that will help make the file size smaller so that it'll load easier in our emails. And you may want to download it with a transparent background. One of the unique things about creating images for an email is that phones can go into dark mode, which means that your white background will turn to a black background. So right now, this area around this graphic that I've created is white. The background's white. And if I download this as is, and someone is looking at my email in dark mode, this white will show on a black background. If I make it transparent, that means that this white area on either side will change with the background. So it'll be black and it'll match the rest of the background. So for this one, I'm actually going to choose to do that. I'm just downloading that one file. And here we go, download. If you have set up the Canva integration with MailChimp, you're actually going to go over here. And instead of doing download, you're going to hit more, scroll down to MailChimp. You'll pick what folder you want to import them into, and then click Save. As you can see, you don't have as many options here. You can't pick a transparent background or compress the image. So for those things, you do need to download it onto your computer and then upload it into MailChimp. But if you hit Save here, it'll just show up there. So everyone's workflow is different. You can find out what works best for you. Well, there we go. If that answered your questions, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe so that other people can find the video as well. If you have further questions, throw them in the comments below or check out one of my other videos. And see you around.